Okay, guys, note it down. We can place three types of comments in a JSP programs. So first is JSP comments, or you can call as hidden comments. Hidden comments. Okay. Next, second, HTML comments. HTML comments. Okay. Or template text comments. And third is Java comments. So what is JSP comment? So example already you know, modulo and hyphen, right? Here. Is it true? Next, let me add the HTML comments. Okay, first, just let me add here note points. So it is given. So it is given to comment JSP tags. Okay, JSP page compiler. JSP page compiler recognizes these commands. Okay, these command and the syntax example of this command already we have seen in the previous sessions also. Today also let me give the JSP command. Okay, so I'm writing here. Look at here. This is JSP command, and under this I'm writing one more tag. One more tag. Take any tag, small tag, maybe scriptlet or anything, or declarations, expression, whatever you feel okay. You can write the tag. So I want to get the current thread. How do I get the current thread? Thread dot current thread. So thread thread dot current thread. Done. Right now. So this is the declaration tag. I wrote this is the declaration tag right now. Arey baba. Fine. Now this tag is completed by using JSP commands. Now let me add here HTML commands. So how do I work with HTML commands? So here, this is the tag to work with the HTML commands. So left angle bracket, exclamation marks, two hyphens. Okay, fine. And it's given to comment HTML code as well as XML code and template text of JSP. Next, put line HTML. Who will recognize this one? HTML interpreter, na? DOM, SAX. Have you heard about these interpreters? Okay. Document object model. Have you heard? Yes. These all are the, like Java have Java compiler, JSP have JSP compiler. Okay. Similarly, C has C compilers. So HTML also need to be parsed. HTML tag also need to be parsed, na? So there should be some compiler, there should be some interpreter, there should be some translator. Right? These are the DOM and SAX. DOM, document object model. SAX. You can check the SAX names, long form, you will find. Okay. HTML interpreter. HTML interpreter recognizes म्हणजे कुठले कुठले DOM घ्या. If you want to know the name, you can write the name. You can skip the names also. DOM, SAX, etc. Okay. These comments. I think. Do I need to give the example? Do I provide example of a HTML comments? Huh? Is it necessary for you? I think I don't need. Similarly, Java also I don't need. So you can use your single line command. This is also not required. Okay. Because we have practiced this number of times. HTML commands, then HTML commands, Java commands. We can skip this part also. So let me add the scriptlet tag, and here let me create a variable integer a q 10, integer r 20, and integer p a q plus r semicolon, and then let me put the comment. Okay, means in scriptlet tag I'm writing the Java code. I can comment by using Java code. Okay, in HTML I can use the HTML comment code. Okay, in JSP I can use JSP comment code. So so given to it is given to comment Java code of JSP program. It is given to comment Java code of JSP program, and who will recognize? Java compiler will recognize the Java command. Now पटकन वेळ संपलाय, आणखीन घ्यायचं मला वाटलं ते नाही आहे. So appearance of comments symbol in various levels of JSP program. Comments part है. Why should I skip this one? A small part. Okay, a small part है ना. So you can try this practically also. So I will add here comments. Okay, guys, you can write here JSP comments. What is JSP comment? You can write a tag also if you wish. Fine. This is JSP comment, sir. This is JSP comment. Let me add some more point here. अरे यार खूप मोठा पॉइंट आहे. इथं तुम्हाला लिहावं लागेल JSP. Otherwise I will write here short. मी असा करतो. Okay, ठीक है. So this is comment. So JSP equivalent solid source code. बसना नहीं तो. I don't know whether I can able to fit or not here. So okay, next आहे JSP equivalent compiled code म्हणजे dot class file. Here is dot java file. Okay, JSP equivalent dot java file. Here compiled code, and here HTML code. HTML code goes to browser window. Okay, obviously it's a browser window now. You're not right here. And finally output. Whose output will be visible to where? That I will show explain here. And just make this table. हा सगळ्याचं एक काम करायचं इथून तिथपर्यंत जे आहे ना एवढा this part. So visibility, add to the top column. This is visibility now. JSP comment visible. Let me see. Is it visible? No. It is not visible. JSP equivalent solid compiled code म्हणजे कुठला? Compiled code means what? Dot class file ना. Okay, is it visible here? No, because JSP tag solid tag, sorry, JSP equivalent solid in dot class file, dot java dot class file, not visible. Okay, so here also no, all are no, and final output is no. Fine. Next, let me add here HTML comments. How do I write HTML comments? Exclamation marks, 2 hyphens. We can end the comment by using hyphen. Okay. HTML comment, if you add here, Will it visible here in Java code? Yes, it is visible. That I can write now, I can see. So it will work. Yes. Yes, here also yes. Okay. Here also yes. Output राहील का ते? नाही येणार. Next. HTML code मी ते if I write JSP program, where it goes? Now look, if I write HTML code, it goes to its visibility. Rather I would call. कुठे वर्क करेल ते actually? कुठे वर्क करेल? JSP कमेंट JSP कडून सोर्स कोड वर्क करेल का? दिसलं का इथं? नाही दिसणार, गरज नाही त्याची. इथे पण गरज नाहीये. ओके, ब्राउझरवरती इथं इथं जाते ते ब्राउझर जाईल का? आउटपुट पण येणार नाही. ओके, इथं HTML कोड सॉलिडला दिसेल, JSP मध्ये दिसेल, सॉलिड पण दिसेल, डॉट जावा फाईल, डॉट क्लास फाईल, ब्राउझरला दिसेल, तो डिसेबल करेल, त्याचा आउटपुट ब्राउझरला दिसेल का? लक्षात आलं का? ब्राउझरला जाईल, परत आउटपुट दिसेल का इथं? नाही म्हणेल. नेक्स्ट जावा कोड घ्या. जावा कोड काय? यूज सिंगल लाइन और यूज मल्टीलाइन. यूज सिंगल लाइन और यूज मल्टीलाइन. Why is that slash? So this is Java code. Visible? Yes. Visible. Open the dot class file. काही गरज नाही मला टाकण्याची. Done. Done. Tomorrow we shall see HTML to JSP communications with database. HTML, JSP, database. Some third operations we shall see. Okay. पालन झाली का सगळ्यांची? HTML to JSP and database software communication. अटेंडन्स झाली का सगळ्यांची? लेट कमर्स उशिरा येणार आहे. अटेंडन्स टाकली का तुमची? सह्या केल्या का सगळ्यांनी? हा केल्या? दिस वी शॅल सी टुमॉरो. Or tomorrow I may need extra time, so tomorrow I'll be on time for 8:30, 8:35 max 8:40. I should be the motor application. Okay, fine. कुठलं पण you just change the driver name. You can work with Postgres also. Change the driver name, driver class. That's it. Connection string. Okay, driver class name and the jar. If you change with respect to MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, okay. If you have the connector, you can able to work with anything. All are same. All are same. Fine. So remaining stuff we shall see tomorrow.